Hey, what's up, guys? Making some deer steak right now. I also got tenderloin, burger. I haven't cooked any of that yet, but here's the steaks right here. Very nice and tender. That's just the preparation video. I also got the onions in here. So what I used for this was garlic salt, Worcester, and sometimes I'll use like onion powder. That's all I had, but let me know what you guys use. I know that soy sauce is good too, but if you guys got any recipes, let me know in the comments here. All right, guys.